To fill out the USCIS Form I-765, also known as the application for employment authorization, you will need to follow these steps carefully. First, ensure you are eligible to apply, as this form is typically used by individuals who are in the United States and are eligible for employment authorization, such as asylum applicants, refugees, or certain non-immigrant visa holders. Start by downloading the form from the USCIS website or obtaining it from a local USCIS office. Read the instructions provided with the form to understand the requirements and supporting documents needed. The form is divided into several parts, each asking for specific information. Part 1 asks for your personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and contact details. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Part 2 requires information about your eligibility category, which is the reason you are applying for employment authorization. This could be based on your immigration status, such as an asylum applicant or a refugee. In Part 3, you will need to provide information about your previous employment authorization, if any. This includes any previous employment authorization documents you have received, including the document number and expiration date. Part 4 is for applicants who are applying under certain categories that require additional information, such as spouses of certain non-immigrant visa holders. Part 5 is the certification section, where you must sign and date the form, certifying that the information provided is true and accurate. It is essential to answer all questions honestly, as providing false information can lead to your application being denied or even result in legal consequences. Before submitting your application, ensure you have completed all parts of the form and included all required supporting documents. These may include a copy of your passport, a copy of your Form I-94, and any other documents specified in the form instructions. The filing fee for the Form I-765 is currently listed on the USCIS website, and you can pay by check or money order. Once you have completed the form and gathered all the necessary documents, mail the application to the address specified in the form instructions. It is recommended that you use a trackable delivery method to ensure your application is received. After submitting your application, you can check the status of your case online or by contacting the USCIS National Customer Service Center. Remember to follow the instructions carefully and provide all required information to avoid delays or denial of your application. If you are unsure about any part of the process, consider consulting with an immigration attorney or seeking guidance from a qualified immigration expert. By following these steps and providing accurate information, you can successfully fill out and submit your USCIS Form I-765 application for employment authorization.